Go.
Hi, I'm Luke.
And I'm Pedro.
And we're going to talk to you about stage 3. In stage 3, you need to start brainstorming solutions to the leverage point that you identified for the feedback loops for an indicator in the previous stage. The trick with this brainstorming is to spend 10 minutes on your own, with your own piece of paper, just coming up with what may seem like ridiculous ideas, but anything and everything, just get it down on the paper. Then, for a few more minutes, you'll come together as a compass group and analyze some of these solutions and narrow it down to 3 using a selection of criteria.
So, here we have the basic 5-prong criteria. The first being perceived advantage. What we're looking at is the effort and the time, the money put into changing the status quo worth the benefit that you're going to get at the end of the day? Yeah, that's pretty much perceived advantage.
The trial ability is that you need to be able to test this solution on a very small scale and then be able to expand it out from building on its simplicity. It needs to start simple and test on a small scale in a small region so you can see that it does work. Then build upon that simplicity, making it more complex, larger, and building it out into the larger society.
And secondly, observability, because you need to be able to see how well your solution is being implemented or how well it's actually affecting whatever you want it to affect. So therefore you need to be able to easily quantify or qualify how whatever you're trying to change is improving. And lastly, we have compatibility with stakeholders. So your solutions need to be able to be good and be beneficial for everyone it affects. If a solution, it does solve a problem, but in doing so it creates a bigger one for half of those it affects, then that's not necessarily a good solution. So you need to keep in mind everyone affected by the solution and if it's good for them.
Once, as a compass group, you've narrowed it down to 3 solutions. You then come together as a larger group, and each compass point group will present their 3 solutions to the rest of the people as a whole, so that people can see all the different solutions that are being put forth for each compass point.
Once that's done, you vote on them. So you vote on each compass group's 3 proposed solutions, and so by the end of the day you should have 4 solutions in the entire room, 1 per compass group.
This brings us to the end of stage 3, at which point, for each compass point, there is 1 brilliant solution to whatever point you're trying to solve.